Hello friends, today I will upgrade my Redmi Note 3 from Illusion Project ROM, which is with latest security patch, that is 5th March. You can see here I am on latest build, that is of 19th March with March security patch, and I will upgrade it to bootleggers. For that I am just going to recovery mode by pressing the key. You can see here it will boot to recovery. Before flashing the ROM, be sure that you should be on latest recovery. First of all, wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, system, data and cache, and slide this. Now sliding, it will wipe all the data and system files from the internal memory of the phone. Your data is safe, no data will be changed or erased. Now selecting the zip files, that is the bootleggers, and also I will install Magisk and open Google Apps. Before selecting, put all these files into internal memory of the phone, and you can select it from here. You can see here it is the latest build. Now add more zip. Just click on add more zip, select open Google Apps. I will install micro Google Apps and add more zip. This time select Magisk. It will root the phone and just slide it. It will take some time, maybe 2 to 5 minutes, depending upon the situations and the file you are flashing, that is mainly Google Apps. So after doing all these things, it will complete like this. Now just wipe and slide this. It will wipe any cache memory. Now reboot to system, click on do not install, and it will start rebooting. This is the IMEI logo, and this is the bootleggers first impression. It will take again 2 to 5 minutes. This is the animation. Now this is the setup process. Just click on let's go. You can see here. Now I will set up the phone. It will take some time to set up all the things. You can set up all the things, all the stuff. You can do this in as per previous videos. I installed all the things. Now here is the fingerprint sensor. It's working very fine in this case. You can see here it's working very fine, no problem at all. And just click on next. Everything is working fine. Just click on next and agree. It will again check for updates. Now this is the time to set up the other Google things. You can see here it is OK Google, that is the assistant, Google Assistant. Just say OK Google. You can see here it detects very well. I say OK Google, and it detects it very well. You can see, yes, I am in. Now just enter the pin or fingerprint. All set. Now again it will take some time. Now these are the launchers which are by default. I will start with Sisu launcher, which is the default launcher for this bootlegger ROM. You can see here it is very similar to Pixel launcher, and you can see here almost everything is very similar to that. Now let us check the Play Store. You can see it's working very fine. Now you can see here in settings, and you can see still now the option for certification is not present. It may take some time before going to update that. It will take some time. So leaving here, let's move some other things. Now this is the most important thing that I think is the best one in this ROM is the AN22 benchmark score. None of the ROM with Oreo get this high score. This is the highest score ever I seen in Oreo ROMs for Redmi Note 3. You can see here. Now it's a really great feature. It's really fast, really amazing. Now let us moving towards the certification. For that, go to Play Store and settings, and you can see here device is certified, so you can run all type of banking apps, so there will be no problem. Now these are some things you can check it here. You can quickly watch all the things. Battery backup. Now I am making this video after installing this ROM, and I have installed this ROM 2 days earlier, and after using it nearly about 72 hours, it's really working very fine. No battery problems. Battery backup is really good, and you can see here the quick setting panels. Almost every kind of panel is here. This is for your reference. Now new thing is the FTP server. By default it is given. You can see night light and other things, pip, space, and you can see you're just only tapping the moves. Now there is no option for changing rows and column here, but everything is same. You can see here night light is working very fine. You can see night light is working very fine. Other things you can check it here. Now this is the bootleggers 5th March 2018 security patch, and you can see here the kernel version and bootleggers version. Just clicking on this you can get the updates, and this is the mixed browser for this, which is the file browser of this. You can see here it's very good. I think very similar to the ES File Explorer, and you can see here is the player of this media player. You can see all videos are played very well. You can also rotate. I'm just showing you here. You can see very smooth. This is the player. It's working very fine without any lag. You can change the volume as well as the brightness by sliding from left and right sides, just up and down. By moving back and forward you can make the videos back and forward. So it's really a great feature. No need to install external media players. Also the pip mode is working very fine in this. You can see here. Also you can set the pip mode for the videos. It will work very fine. You can see here into the drawer and slide this. Different settings are present here. So this ROM gives great features, great battery backup, no problem with camera, fingerprints. Everything is working very fine. I think the fastest ROM till now in case of Redmi Note 3 Oreo segment. So no Oreo ROM is given such a high AN22 benchmark score. The benchmark score is the highest one in this ROM. So you can flash this. The links are given into the descriptions below. Thank you very much.